Mindy, these girls being mean to you? Are they?
Won't let you go to
They
sleep.
saying bad words?
What bad words they say? They're assholes.
All kinds of bad words. We'll not get in trouble.
Is that what Daddy said? We all gonna get in
They're
trouble.
gonna get in trouble, ain't they, Mindy?
Do we ever care?
No.
We don't ever care, do we?
You better care, Daddy will get him in trouble.
We do it anyway, don't we?
Yeah.
She whispered that one. She whispered that one.
It's worth the punishment sometimes just to be able to be an
We can
asshole.
get by with it, can't we, Mindy? We'll just